हमारा?
नमस्कार नमस्कार एवरीबॉडी। आई वोंट बी एबल टू टॉक मच, लेकिन
नहीं
बीच में
ठीक
कोई
है, आप
सवाल।
वहां बने रहिए, दैट इज इनफ.
Your presence and your
The
blessings
presence
are
is
more important to us.
very special and important both.
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
विभूति पूजा प्लीज कैमरा ऑन कर दीजिए। हर्षिता कोल, Mr. Takuchi, we can't see you. If you could just adjust your camera so that everybody is visible. Juhi, there is a little bit more light on your face. We would want you to adjust your camera in a manner so that we can see you properly. Akanksha Rena, camera on karo. Vibhuti Dembi and Pooja Shinde. Hello, Akanksha Rena. Hi, Vibhuti.
Hi.
Akanksha Rena, वारे चके?
Ani which vare taichi vare.
Ani वारे चेचुत वारे हेचमु तची बे revise करूं?
Ah.
Very good. Sonakur. पूजा आप लॉग ऑफ करके लॉग इन कर दीजिए, मे बी देन. अच्छा, इट इज टर्न बाय होस्ट. लेट मी स्विच इट ऑन फॉर यू. पूजा आप करके देखो, आप अनम्यूट. हर्षिता, आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कर देंगी? हर्षिता कॉल. पूजा आप लॉग ऑफ करके दोबारा से लॉग इन कर लीजिए, इट में हेल्प. पूजा शिंदे जी. हर्षिता, आप भी अपना कैमरा. हाँ, दे विल लॉग इन अगेन.
Mr. Takuchi, are you able to hear us?
Mr. Takuji, are you able to hear us? Could you please unmute yourself and say something?
Hi. Yes.
You're able to hear us, is it?
Yes.
Could you please keep, align your camera properly so that we can see you?
Yes.
Your camera is not proper. Just align it a bit so that we can see you.
Yes.
Hi, Pooja. Hello.
Hello.
Now we can see you. Is everybody able to hear me? Can you just give me thumbs up if you're able to hear me? Okay. All of you. Juhi, are you able to hear me? हर्षिता को फिर से कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. हर्षिता, what is the problem? मुझे मैसेज में लिख दीजिए. Yes, all of us can hear me. All of you can hear me. हर्षिता, मुझे मैसेज में लिख दीजिए आपको क्या चैलेंज आ रहा है.
We are able to hear you.
Her audio is feeble, but she's able to follow us. Are you connecting? Are you connected from your phone or app or laptop or something? Okay. So she has tried both and boosted levels too. Okay. Ideally, we want all the cameras on in the class, but in case you can try once more and otherwise.
Madhuji, we can wait for another 2-3 minutes, and then I think with the permission of Rana Sahab and Karnaji, then we can start.
Harshita, try once more while we are waiting for a few more people to join. Yeah. Mr. Takuchi, if you could again just slightly bit adjust your camera so that we can see you properly. We're able to see you half.
We're not able to see his face, huh?
Yeah.
Madhuji, just write a message for him.
I will do that.
Yes.
A bit more, a bit more.
Okay.
We can see your eyes now, forehead, now eyes.
Yes,
A bit more so that we will see your face.
Okay. Okay.
Purva, camera on कर दीजिए. Switch on your camera, please.
Okay.
Better now, slightly better. Mr. Takuchi, are you using your mobile or are you using your laptop?
I think mobile, because in mobile, you have shades from both sides. And if it is laptop, then it is full
Then
screen. I
bus.
can, I can guess, but not sure.
Yes.
So you're using your mobile, right?
Yes, mobile.
Keep it at a distance. Keep it at a distance and yes, better. Absolutely better. Keep it at a distance. Take your
so
mobile
good.
back and you'll be visible to us.
Yes.
A lot has improved.
Yes. Hi. Yes. 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 Huh?
Akanksha, nashta korte?
Yes, yes. I am here.
Yeah, just fix
Yes.
just keep your mobile. Yes, better. Absolutely better
Yes.
now.
Yes.
Yes, keep it at this distance only.
Yes. Oh. Yes.
Thank you. We'll start in 5 minutes more. Master ji, kara mara shuru? Kin prarawin?
Let's wait 5 minutes more क्योंकि there are only 6 students now. Or you can start with the question, first question. Why do you want to learn Kashmiri? Let us hear from everybody.
Yes.
Mm.
So I would want to pose this question first to Mr. Takuchi only. Mr. Takuchi, give us, tell us advice that you want to learn Kashmiri. Can you hear me? Can you
Madhuji, I
hear
think
me? Sorry?
Madhuji, I think Madhuji, I think he is having difficulty even in English. So you can just type a message.
Acha.
I think that will be better.
In the meantime, Ujjwal, can you please tell us why is that you would want, unmute yourself and tell us why is that you want to learn Kashmiri?
I'm audible.
Very
Yeah.
much.
Yes, because it's my mother tongue, and mostly I'm not very comfortable with the written part of it. Like I'm able to speak basic of it, but I want to more improve on it.
Okay, where are you based, Ujjwal? Which place?
Mohali,
Mohali, Chandigarh. Okay.
Yes.
And you are born and brought up there, or no? You
brought up here only.
okay. और अभी क्या करते हो?
I just finished my PGDM, my master's, so I'm currently giving interviews for the companies.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you.
Vibhuti.
Hi, hello. I essentially understand Kashmiri a bit since my grandparents and everyone has been speaking Kashmiri, but I don't really speak that tongue, so I just wanted to get an understanding of it. Besides, I'm planning to travel for 3 to 4 months.
Sorry, come again. You're planning?
So I'm planning a trip to Kashmir for 3 to 4 months to stay there. So I just want to I've never been to Kashmir, so I just wanted to visit my homeland and visit the places that my parents were born and brought up at.
Any connection with Renavari?
Yes. I mean,
I have a friend who is Dembi, Soni Dembi.
okay.
Renavari is, there are Dembis over there. And where are you residing? Where are you based?
Currently I'm in Bangalore, but I was born and brought up in Faridabad, Delhi. I was born in Delhi.
Okay, happy to know that. Let's come to Akanksha Tsichat Bazana. Says Karabe introduction Path. Vanapursabakyam. Chati. Apurva.
Yeah. Well, Kashmiri is my mother tongue too. But I've been born and brought up in Australia, so I don't really speak it at home. But I understand. But yeah, it's just to better understand and speak and write and all that. So yeah.
Happy to know that. It's so overwhelming. Yeah. You're born and brought up there. You still want to go back to your roots. I salute you.
Yeah, definitely.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Very much required.
Thanks.
What do you do? Tell us something more about yourself. What do you do?
So I am an internal auditor. Very boring, actually. In an insurance, a large insurance company in Australia. So, yeah. accountant by training. So yeah.
Good.
That's good. That's good. So you're with your family there or all by yourself?
No, I'm with my family. So my family moved here. Just before I was born, and then so we've all been in Australia for a while.
God bless.
Which city? Australia. Australia is very big.
Sydney.
Sydney. Okay.
Oh, I remember you, Auntie. Karna Auntie. You were doing the New Zealand classes, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was in that. I don't know whether you remember me.
I have not paid attention. Damn.
Small world, small community. And
Yeah. उसको बोलते हैं ना दुनिया गोल है, Earth is round.
let's hear it from Pooja. Vivek ji, Sarla ji, please switch on your camera. Yes, Pooja. Why do you want to learn Kashmiri?
I recently married to Kashmiri guy, so communication becomes a big problem for me. I am Maharashtrian and I'm Marathi girl,
That is good.
so I want to learn new culture, new
Yes.
opportunity for me. That's why I want to learn Kashmiri.
Your husband and your in-laws will be very happy that you are learning Kashmiri.
That's really
I
great.
already
So
told them, they
are
are-
we are also very happy. Good.
So where are you based, Pooja?
I am based in Pune, and so is my husband and his family.
Okay. All right. God bless you. I'm sure you'll make them proud by learning another language and connect with them more. So this is very, very sweet and a noble gesture. God bless you. Sarla ji, if you can switch on your camera, and Vivek ji.
Yes.
Thank you.
Vivek ji and Sarla ji. Akanksha रहना, camera carry on, camera on करो. Akanksha, हाँ, Akanksha unmute करो. आपने सीखा, आपने से हेचुत कोशुत से क्या चीज बे हेचुत?
Revision करना.
Hi.
और कश्मीरी
हाँ क्या वन properly वन कशी पटवान.
और भी कश्मीरी है, वो लर्न करनी है.
अच्छा और भी कश्मीरी
मुझे
learn
पूरी कश्मीरी लर्न करनी है.
इसलिए रिवाइज
जान पट असल पट है ना.
असल पट
Properly.
That's correct. दादी तो मम्मी से कशी पट का.
हाँ.
तो कुछ ही गैर करान कोशुर, कुछ जो करान कश्मीरी.
मम्मी तो दादी.
दादू तो पापा से ना करान.
पापा बस कभी कभी.
तो हेचना आते मिस कोशुर, ठीक चा? सरला जी नमस्कार. If you can unmute yourself and we had posed questions.
मैं हर्षिता कोल हूँ.
अच्छा, sorry आप sorry because नाम यहाँ पे है तो you may have to change your name.
Okay.
हर्षिता बोलो, why is that you want to learn Kashmiri?
Actually, I know how to talk in the Kashmir, but I want to learn how to write this language in written language.
अच्छा या कशीर पोर्ची असल तगान वानुन ठीक
आना थोड़ा बहुत चुम तगान वन हिचमुच चुम कैसे मिचे दादाजी दादी नानाजी नानी बे मैं मम्मी पापा तिश करान तमिच में तगान थोड़ा बहुत.
जैसे असल कशीर बोलन थोड़ा बहुत बोल को असल
वो वारिया.
Thank you.
अच्छा रोजान
मुझे जिमी रोजान.
हाँ तो जिम में अगर रोजा तो कशीर छु हेचुन ऑटोमेटिक पाले. Good. Vivek ji, switch on your camera and PB. I don't know the initials of PB. If you can switch on your camera. Hanji Vivek. आप नहीं आप म्यूट हैं विवेक. अनम्यूट करें पहले.
Hello.
हाँ विवेक थोड़ा सा लाउडर.
Hello.
हाँ, मैं भी कश्मीरी हूँ, लेकिन मेरे को ठीक से नहीं आती है बोलनी, तो मैंने इसीलिए ये ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है। हमारे घर पे भी मम्मी पापा हमसे बात तो नहीं करते हैं कश्मीरी में, लेकिन आपस में करते हैं, तो हमें आई नहीं कभी।
कहाँ रहते हो?
मैं चंडीगढ़ रहता हूँ। मेरा बॉर्न हुआ था जम्मू में, लेकिन 3 इयर्स के बाद हम शिफ्ट हो गए थे चंडीगढ़ में। फिर उसके बाद तो फिर कुछ आई नहीं, मतलब मेरे मम्मी पापा से पूछता हूँ मैं ऐसे कि ऐसा क्यों, तो वो कहते थे कि जब हम आपके मतलब हम जब छोटे थे, हम जब शिफ्ट हो गए कश्मीर से, तो उनको हिंदी नहीं आती थी, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि हमें भी ये प्रॉब्लम ना आए कि हमें हिंदी ना आए, तो उन्होंने हमें हिंदी में बात करना स्टार्ट किया।
So
तो वो
sweet.
ऐसे कहते थे।
ये बहुत से लोगों का, आपने इतनी सच्चाई से इस बात को रखा, सो वेरी वेरी स्वीट ऑफ यू। ये बहुत से लोगों का, स्पेशली जो लोग अप्रूट हो गए, गांव वगैरह से आ गए, और वो लोग सिर्फ अपनी मदर टंग जानते थे, उनके साथ ये चैलेंज हुआ। माय ग्रैंडमदर वाज द वन, उनको भी नहीं आता था, वो एक वर्ड इधर उधर करके, यस, करेक्ट करेक्ट।
तो वो भी ऐसे ही बोल, तो हम बोलते थे
अब हिंदी तो
बहुत
आप,
बड़ी गलती करी।
अब तो आप फराटे वाली हिंदी बोलते होगे, अब फराटे वाली कश्मीरी सीखो।
कश्मीरी समझ में आती है, थोड़ी थोड़ी बोल पाता हूँ। मिचन जात पट तगान के मगर फिक्री चोरी तरन।
अगर से क्लासेस में हेचक प्रॉपर्ली बाय द टाइम द करेक्ट इपट हिंदी चुपना इपट वना कश होते।
थैंक यू, आई होप सो।
It all depends upon the dedication and the commitment. Master Ji is there, Karuna auntie is there, they are the stalwarts and they have been doing this. PB, जिनका इनिशियल PB से है, प्लीज आप अपना कैमरा ऑन करें। And my humble request to everybody, please don't switch off the cameras, because it is very very important for us to, switching off the camera in my opinion is a disrespect to teacher, unless and until आपके पास में कोई टेक्निकल इशू है और आप उसके कारण से नहीं कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी उस्ताद, कोई भी टीचर, he would not want or she would not want to teach the walls. All right? आपने कभी ऐसा देखा कि हम क्लासरूम्स में बैक करके बैठेंगे? नहीं ना, हम हमेशा सामने से बैठते हैं। तो इसीलिए दिस इज द वेरी बेसिक ऑफ क्लास कि हम अपने कैमरास ऑन करेंगे और अपने टीचर्स को देखेंगे, उनसे सुनेंगे और सीखेंगे। लर्निंग इज मच मच बेटर। PB, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करें, मैं नाम नहीं जान पा रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ द इनिशियल्स। टेल अस योर नेम फर्स्ट।
नमस्कार महारा, मेरा नाम पूजा भट्ट है और मैं जम्मू से हूँ। जम्मू में बॉर्न हुआ, बट मेरी जो एजुकेशन है वो कश्मीर से हुई, श्रीनगर से। देन उसके बाद मेरी ग्रेजुएशन वो DU से है, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से। देन MSc मेरी पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी है। अब ये ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने का मेरा मेन जो मोटिव है वो यही है कि मुझे, ऑल्दो मुझे कश्मीरी आती है, मीन्स आई कैन टॉक इन कश्मीरी ऑल्सो, बट यही प्रॉब्लम है कि थोड़ा सा वो घर वाले कहते हैं पंजेब को शुरू हो जाता है आपका। तो वही चीज थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करने के लिए मैंने ये ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है। इसलिए आई होप कि मेरा ये जो ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने का जो एम है वो कंप्लीट हो।
ओके, मुझे लगता है आपकी डेडिकेशन और लगन, आप अपने उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर।
यस
Vivek, please camera on rakhiye. Can you please type in, or if you can hear us, Mr. Takuchi? Can you understand English?
Thank you.
Can you understand English?
Yeah, a little.
You do. Why do you want to learn this language?
Oh, yes. But a little. I'm a beginner of Kashmir. Beginner of Kashmir. I'm a beginner of Kashmir.
I can't make out anything from that.
Beginner of Kashmir. I'm a beginner of Kashmir.
I think he's saying he's a beginner in
Beginner of Kashmiri.
Yes. I want to understand why is that you want to learn the language?
Yes. I want to learn the Kashmiri. Yes. I want to.
Why?
I want to.
Why? My question is why?
I want to learn Kashmiri. Yes.
मधु जी स्लोली बोलिए उनको, English name is speak very slowly, syllable wise.
I want to know, Mr.
I want to
Takuchi,
learn Kashmiri. Want to
Why?
I want to learn Kashmiri.
what is the reason? What is the reason?
Yes, I want to Kashmiri. I want to go to Kashmiri. And
Okay.
I speak in Kashmiri with people, Kashmiri people. I want to speak Kashmiri.
You want to travel to Kashmir, is it?
Yes, yes. Kashmiri.
And then talk to the people in local language.
Yeah, I will. I want to speak in Kashmiri with people, Kashmiri people.
Do you have friends? Do you have Kashmiri friends?
On SNS, there is on SNS friends. SNS friends. I have a friend, but a few, one or two, very least. Yeah.
Where are you based? Where are you based?
There is a friend in Kashmir. There is a friend in Kashmir.
Where are you currently based? Which place do you belong to?
I'm Japanese.
Yeah.
I'm Japanese. Yeah, I'm Japanese.
I understand that, but where are you currently based?
Which city?
Which country? Which city?
Japan, in Japan, and Yokohama City.
Yokohama.
I live in Yokohama in Japan. Yokohama City.
Have you been to India?
Yokohama, I live in.
Got it. So currently you are connected from, currently you are there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
have you been to India?
No.
You have not been to India. You want to?
I have never been to India. I have never been in India.
You want to come to India and first go to Kashmir?
Yes. I want to go Kashmir and India. I want to go, but in future. In future. I want to go to India and Kashmir in future.
What are you doing by profession?
No. I'm working in Japan. Working in Japan. I am working in Japan.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you do by profession? Working means where are you working? What do you do? What's your profession?
No, I'm an employer. I'm an employer.
Employee.
Yes, employer.
Okay. Vivek and Pooja Bhatt, please switch on your cameras.
Yes.
Yes, please. As I requested, we will not switch off the cameras. We have got two very eminent and respectful teachers with us, Rana Saab and Karuna Auntie. So as I said, as a mark of respect, this is the first thing that wherein we don't switch off cameras, and we would not want them to talk to or look at the blank screens. No.
Yes.
You can mute yourself, Mr. Takuchi, now.
No mute.
No. Now when the class starts, you can mute yourself. Now the teachers will take over the class, so you listen.
Yes, yeah, I can listen. I can listen.
So mute yourself.
Yes, no, not mute. Not mute.
Don't worry, Madhu ji, आप कर लीजिए mute कर लीजिए.
Tarun Fikri, Tarun.
Okay.
Master ji, we got to know all the participants and their intent. So I would want to hand it over to you. If you would want to, or Karuna auntie.
Let Karuna auntie take over. Karuna ji take over.
Karuna auntie, you can take over and just.
Namaskar, welcome to all of you. First of all, Master Ji, he's here. मिक्स बोलेंगे, हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड कश्मीरी, तीनों चीजें, क्योंकि कश्मीरी साथ चलती रहेगी, हिंदी बोलते ही सब लोग हैं और इंग्लिश में भी, क्योंकि कुछ लोग हैं जिनको पूरी कश्मीरी नहीं आती है. सिंस मास्टर जी वाज नॉट वेल, इसलिए उनकी प्रेजेंस आज बहुत ही स्पेशल है. ही इज हियर विद अस, तो वी फील प्राउड, वी फील ब्लेस्ड कि वो हमारे साथ हैं. और मधु जी ने सबसे इंट्रोडक्शन ली है, सब लोग हैं. मैं करुणा हूँ. I was basically from Allahabad, now Prayagraj, from Kashmir तो, लेकिन 45 years से इलाहाबाद में थी. But I love my language. मैं अपनी लैंग्वेज को हमेशा पकड़े रखा कि मैं कभी न, मेरे बच्चे हैं, दोनों बच्चों को प्लस ग्रैंड किड्स को कश्मीरी में सिखाती रही, एंड दे नो. और मेरे अपने बच्चे हैं, बाहर पैदा हुए, बाहर बड़े हुए, लेकिन उनको कश्मीरी. तो आई लव माई लैंग्वेज, और मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि मैं ये पास ऑन करूँ आगे को, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को, जैसे कि तुम लोग भी फिर आगे पास ऑन ऐसे ही करते रहोगे. बिकॉज वी फील प्राउड बीइंग ए कश्मीरी. आई नो यू ऑल आर फीलिंग प्राउड बीइंग ए कश्मीरी. और हमको अपना खाना पीना, मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ, खाना पीना हमको सबको बहुत पसंद आता है. कश्मीरी कल्चर हमको बहुत पसंद आता है, हमारे त्योहार बहुत पसंद आते हैं. तो हम चाहते हैं कि हम अपनी लैंग्वेज से भी इतना ही प्यार करें जितना और चीजों से करते हैं. कश्मीर इज पैराडाइज ऑन अर्थ कहा जाता था, लेकिन ड्यू टू सर्कमस्टांसेस बाहर चले गए सब लोग, बट स्टिल आवर हार्ट इज देयर. मुझे ये पता है कि अगर तुम लोग छोटे हो, यंग हो, लेकिन मदर, फादर, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के जो दिल है, दिमाग है, अब भी वहीं बसा हुआ है. सो आप आए हो, आप लैंग्वेज सीखोगे, दैट्स वेरी गुड. और पास ऑन करते रहो अपने फ्रेंड्स में, अपने रिलेटिव्स में, बात किया करो फोन पे कि दैट वी आर लर्निंग कश्मीरी. और आगे भी ऐसे ही सीखते रहोगे और उनको भी स्प्रेड आउट करोगे कि कश्मीरी सीखो. और आप लोग आए हो, उसके लिए बहुत हम थैंक्स दिल से दे रहे हैं कि टाइम निकाला है और कश्मीरी आप सीखोगे. वी विल टीच यू, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे वी विल आंसर यू एवरीथिंग, जो भी आप जानना चाहते हो. वैसे मैंने देखा कि सब लोग को आती है, बोलनी तो सबको आती है, लेकिन लिखनी भी आएगी. अब हमारे जापान से है एक, ये थोड़ा बहुत समझ नहीं आ रहा उनका पूरा, लेकिन ठीक है, लेट लर्न जो भी है. अब तो दिख रहे हैं कुछ कुछ, लेकिन क्या क्यों सीखना चाहते हैं, पहले हिंदी सीखते फिर कश्मीरी, लेकिन डायरेक्ट ये जापान से इन्होंने लैंड किया है कश्मीर में.
Maybe he wants to travel India from
अच्छी बात है,
Kanyakumari type, starting from the Kashmir.
अच्छी बात है. So we welcome you all and keep learning and we will be helping you. कुलदीप जी.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा था, पूजा जी भी अभी कश्मीरी फैमिली में ज्वाइन किया है उन्होंने, तो as she said, तो yes, you are a part of Kashmiri culture now, so
Yes.
we welcome you, and
Yes,
I'm
yes.
sure कि अभी आप थोड़े दिनों में you will be as fluent as any one of us.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. मास्टर जी.
Master ji,
हाँ जी.
we are waiting eagerly to hear.
आप अगर कुछ और देंगे किस बारे में बोलना है, if you are able to speak anything, welcome. बट अगर आप हमें डायरेक्ट करेंगे कि किस बारे में और बोलना है, तो हम उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, मैं थोड़ा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा. आई एम यहाँ पे रहना. आई लिव इन मुंबई. आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम छताबुल, श्रीनगर. I shifted to Mumbai in 1993. I am basically a civil engineer, retired now. लेकिन कश्मीरी में 1995 से बॉम्बे में सिखा रहा हूँ. I must have taught thousands of students. not only younger ones but older ones also. तो कश्मीरी जो हम सिखाएंगे आपको, हम ABCD से शुरू करेंगे. आपको आती है या नहीं आती है उससे हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ABCD. और कश्मीरी स्क्रिप्ट में और देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट में या कश्मीरी रोमन स्क्रिप्ट में और इंग्लिश स्क्रिप्ट में क्या फ़र्क है वो हम आपको बताएंगे. और इसमें कश्मीरी में 6 क्रिटिकल वॉवेल्स हैं जो हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं, जो आपको स्पेशली सीखना पड़ेगा और उनके ऊपर बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. वो 6 वॉवेल्स लिखने में, पढ़ने में और बोलने में आपको ज़बरदस्त मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, तभी आपकी फ्लुएंसी अच्छी होगी. यू बी फ्लुएंट इन स्पीकिंग कश्मीरी. लेकिन एक और चीज़ मुझे थोड़ी ये कर रहा है कि यू आर ओनली 9 स्टूडेंट्स हियर.
जबकि बहुत एडमिशन कितनों ने लिया था? I think
नहीं, most of the students will go into 5 p.m. batch.
6 p.m. batch.
Yeah.
I would like to ask you if can you join 5 p.m. batch कि नहीं,
6 p.m.
आपके लिए यही 10 बजे सुबह का ही सूट करता है.
I can join at 5 also.
You can join.
It is 6 p.m. actually, Master Ji.
6.
Okay, 6 p.m. What about others? What about Vibhuti Dembi?
I can't join because I have a class at 6:30.
Okay. And Apurva?
Saturday it is only, no? It is only one day.
Yeah, I can join.
You can join. Vibhuti, it is only Saturday, one day.
Right.
Yeah.
How long is the class duration?
1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Okay, so I generally have a kickboxing class so on Saturday, 7 p.m. It's going to be slow.
So won't really impact you because by 1 hour we kind of wrap it up.
I can try, but I might have to spend early because I need to place to actually practice that.
Is there a way that you can kind of a little bit here and there? Why? Because I think Master Ji is saying because we are handfuls, we'll have a full class in the evening and then it'll be conducted there properly for all of you. If you can.
No, let's hear from others also. What about others?
Pooja.
I can join at 6. It's
Okay.
possible.
Harshita.
Mama, I can join.
Okay,
Vivek and Pooja Bhatt. Possible?
Yes, I also can.
Saturday. It is only, we have a class every Saturday.
Right.
What about Harshita?
To 7.
I can.
You can. Okay. Anybody else?
मोस्टली तो कर ही रहे हैं. मोस्टली दे कैन डू, तो हो गया ना, फिर एक ही क्लास होगी तो अच्छी बात है.
Okay. So I think we can figure that out, Master Ji. Majority is okay.
तो विभूति कर पाएगी?
Hanji, I'll manage. I'll
It
manage.
is Saturday only, darling, and
Only Saturday.
4 months, yeah. November, December, Jan, Feb will be.
Okay. तो अभी हमारा हो गया कि कश्मीरी क्यों सीखना चाहते हैं. तो वो तो आप लोगों ने बता दिया, हमारी मदर टंग है, तो हम चाहेंगे कि अपनी मदर टंग में बात करें, और सबसे जो इमोशनल बातें होती हैं वो अपनी मदर टंग में ही ज़्यादा अच्छी हो जाती हैं. इसलिए हमें सीखना चाहिए. और यहाँ आपको ना खाली आपको बोलना सिखाया जाएगा, बल्कि आपको लिखना और पढ़ना भी सिखाया जाएगा इन 2 स्क्रिप्ट. One is Devanagari and another is Roman. जो देवनागरी में सीखना चाहता है वो देवनागरी में सीखे, और जो रोमन में सीखना चाहता है वो रोमन में सीखे. कंपैरेटिवली देवनागरी इज बेटर टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड टू राइट, लेकिन जिसको देवनागरी नहीं आती है ही कैन ऑप्ट फॉर रोमन. तो हम दोनों एक ही तरीके से सिखाएंगे, उसमें कोई ये नहीं है कि वो अच्छे से सिखा और ये अच्छे से. हम दोनों अच्छे से ही सिखाएंगे. Yes, there will be some difficulty for Makoto only because he will not be able to understand Hindustani or Hindi or Kashmiri. So slightly difficult to reach him. Maybe with that, I don't know whether he will be able to join at 6 in the evening. Can you join the class at 6 in the evening, Mr. Makoto?
Oh, yes.
Yes, okay.
India time 6.
Yeah.
IST 6 p.m. मधु जरा
मेरे ख्याल
क्लियर
से
करो.
होना चाहिए.
Mebasan, we'll have to connect with him separately and then.
Okay.
Anmana,
Now, Miss Vanu Sakarjana quit here. We'll speak to him at the end.
3-4 घंटे का फर्क होना चाहिए इंडिया और जापान में से, है ना? तो I think he will be able to manage.
Okay, let's ask him. मगर अब सन खातर च हेचन थोड़ा मुश्किल है. I don't know कि किस पर हेचन. क्या mostly we speak in Hindustani.
Yeah.
और
we'll have to take.
I have sent a message to you on the chat. I'm on a phone, so he's not able to. So you please stay back once for a little more time, Mr. Takuchi. We will speak to you little in detail.
Okay.
I'm speak. I'm little English little, but at Kashmir, I don't speak Kashmiri. I do not speak Kashmiri.
We understand that. Nobody, I mean, lot of people here are not able to speak in Kashmiri. That is why they are here to learn and then kind of speak and write. But I'm saying right now, what Master Ji was explaining is that we are going to use the 2 modes for learning. One is the Roman and another one is the Hindi. So we need to understand from you what language will be comfortable for you to learn, you know. So learning also in which language it will be okay with you, because you don't understand, you will not be able to understand that Hindi that we are using to learn. You may have to obviously learn in English, but how comfortable are you with English also?
Yeah. I'm no. Urdu script.
Yeah, we need to speak in a detail. So you stay back after for a longer time. We'll speak to you in detail. Ujjwal Chodapan, Ujjwal is saying it is going to be 10 p.m. in Japan, which is okay. I don't think.
It's okay.
Yes.
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 Okay. I have something to say to Pooja Shinde. पूजा हमारे पिछले क्लास में एक महाराष्ट्र लड़की थी जिसकी शादी कश्मीरी से हुई थी.
Okay.
और उन्होंने उसको बोला था कश्मीरी सीखने के लिए. So what did she do? उसने अपने माँ बाप को बोला यहाँ ये लोग मुझे कश्मीरी सीखने को बोल रहे हैं. तो माँ बाप ने बोला वेरी गुड, हम 2 भी सीखेंगे. All the 3 were our students in the previous class, and all the 3 passed the test, completed the course. So you should also tell your parents.
Then they'll be able to. Yeah, Master Ji is a point, because see, they will also be able to converse with your in-laws in Kashmiri. Then there's a bond is more stronger.
It's a great idea.
And vice versa, you can also teach them Marathi. Look at me, I'm in Mumbai, Maharashtra for so many years. I can't speak, I'm struggling to speak in Marathi.
बॉम्बे में वैसे जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. बॉम्बे में जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
वही है ना, उस चक्कर में मैं सीख ही नहीं पाई. I really want to. I have, okay, let me give introduction about myself. I am hardcore Kashmiri, all right? Kashmiri by heart, by Pehnawa, by everything, all right? Married to a Brahmin from Uttarakhand. So I'm based in Bombay, born and brought up there up to 15 years. Then due to migration, we moved out. My education, everything happened in Jammu. I moved to Delhi first for my work and subsequently to Bombay for my work. And I'm in Bombay from last 16 years. पिछले 16-17 साल से Bombay में हूँ. And then now I have called it quits to my corporate world, and I am a full-fledged wellness coach, a yoga trainer. Like Master Ji, I have a dream. Master Ji is a stalwart here, and I'm here to kind of assist him. I'm very honored that he has given me this opportunity to be of little help to our next generations in passing on this language which keeps us together. And I am also have this dream and vision like how he has. He is, as he said, that he is a civil engineer, but he is, you know, his every cell is a teacher. He is teacher by heart. You will come to know. जैसे आप मास्टर जी को सुनेंगे, वो पढ़ाएंगे, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि how passionate he is about teaching. तो वैसे ही I have just taken a step and I'm passionate about teaching yoga. So I would want to give this one piece of advice to you that while you are learning this, incorporate in any which ways. जैसे भी अपनी लाइफ में धीरे धीरे करके योग को लिया. Whether you are able to do it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, जो भी कर सकते हो. There are so many things, DIYs, XYZ, करो. Just do it and you will see the difference. That's all about me.
Okay. I have something more to tell you. अब नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि क्लास फ्री है, कोई फीस नहीं है, तो क्या होता है कि हंड्रेड्स एंड हंड्रेड्स कमेंट ज्वाइन, चलो यार देखते हैं एक दो दिन कैसा चलता है, मन लगा तो रहेंगे, नहीं लगा तो नहीं निकल जाएंगे. तो ऐसा ही होता है. तो हर क्लास में ऐसा ही होता है. वी हैव इनिशियली वी हैव अबाउट 200 स्टूडेंट्स और जाते जाते 50 रह जाते हैं, 60 रह जाते हैं. तो व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू कि जो सीरियस है कश्मीरी सीखने में, प्लीज कंटिन्यू विद द क्लास. अगर आप सीरियस नहीं हैं तो इट इज नो फन, क्योंकि आप अपना टाइम भी वेस्ट करेंगे और हमारा टाइम भी वेस्ट करेंगे. लेकिन अगर आप सीरियस हैं सीखने के लिए, वी आर ऑल फॉर यू. हम देखेंगे कि आप किस तरह 3 महीने 4 महीने में जो हमारा कोर्स है आप कैसे सीख पाएंगे. वी हैव अबाउट 16 और 17 लेसन्स. उनमें आप कैसे सीख पाएंगे ये देखना हमारा काम है. और जहाँ कहीं कोई स्टूडेंट अटकता है, किसी की समझ में कोई एक लेसन नहीं आता है, वी गिव स्पेशल अटेंशन टू हिम और हर. और इसके बिना भी अगर वो फोन पर या व्हाट्सएप पर हमसे बात करना चाहे, वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी एंड ऑलवेज रेडी 24/7. मतलब कभी आपको ये मौका नहीं मिलेगा कि आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल, वी आर नॉट अवेलेबल, कॉल मी आफ्टरवर्ड्स, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. आप जब भी चाहें हमसे फ़ोन पर या चैट पर बात कर सकते हैं. और जहां भी आपको डिफ़िकल्टी लगती हो वहां आप हमें बता सकते हैं. एक और बात यह है कि आपको होमवर्क भी बीच में दिया जाएगा. वो होमवर्क आपको करना ही करना है. जो होमवर्क नहीं करेगा उसका मतलब ये होगा कि द कैंडिडेट इज नॉट, स्टूडेंट इज नॉट सीरियस. तो ये आपको मन में रखना है. और होमवर्क आपको मिलेगा, आप चाहे तो देवनागरी में कर सकते हैं, रोमन में कर सकते हैं, जिसमें भी आपकी रुचि हो. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
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 ओके. और पहला होमवर्क जब दिया जाएगा, पहले क्लास में जब पहला होमवर्क दिया जाएगा, तो उसमें आपको बताया, आपको जिस शीट पर या नोटबुक पर लिखना है उसमें आप पहले ध्यान रखें, उसमें आप पहले अपना नाम लिखेंगे, आपकी एज लिखेंगे, आपके प्लेस ऑफ रेजिडेंस लिखेंगे. और आप रोमन में सीखना चाहते हैं, देवनागरी में सीखना चाहते हैं, वो चारों चीज आप उसमें लिखेंगे नोटबुक पर. फिर उसका फोटो हमें भेजेंगे. जो होमवर्क दिया हुआ वो उसके नीचे लिखा होगा, सबके ऊपर ये सब नाम, आपकी एज, आपकी रेजिडेंस और आपका स्क्रिप्ट कौन सा है, प्रेफर्ड स्क्रिप्ट, वो ऊपर लिखा जाएगा. उसके बाद आप होमवर्क करेंगे तो पूरे पेज का, एक पेज हो दो, उन सब का फोटो आपको हमें भेजना पड़ेगा, ताकि हम आपको रोल नंबर्स अलॉट करें और आपका पूरा डेटा हमारे पास हो, जो बाद में आपके सर्टिफिकेट में काम आएगा. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you have any questions, you can question me.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
My husband was sitting here for all the time, so he thought this platform is very good to improvise his Kashmiri. So can he join also with me?
Who?
Her husband with open.
Okay.
Master
He's
give you
welcome.
offer
He's
for your
welcome.
parents. So why not
He's
your
welcome.
husband? Everybody.
He is welcome, always welcome.
We welcome people with open arms.
Yes, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Namaskar.
You are welcome. Namaskar. yes. वारिच. इन मराठी में एक चीज की एक पॉजिटिव है उनमें, वो स बोलना ऑलरेडी जानते हैं.
Yes.
Very difficult.
Yes.
तो ये स बोलना लोगों को बहुत टाइम लगता है.
सर मैंने ऑलरेडी एनरोल किया था, जब हम लोग को लिंक मिला था व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे किसी ने फॉरवर्ड किया था, सो वी बोथ एनरोल्ड फॉर द कोर्स. together.
जी.
So it was a golden opportunity for me to learn from the scratch. So Ashu Garman's Katkaran, matlab main merch Ashu Sarishura's Katkaran question, right? God petty. Magar we don't have that foundation that your generation has, because you were born and brought up in Kashmir. So for the same reason I enrolled for the course. I think मैंने वो medium level की fluency को select किया था option जब उसमें वो fill करना था. तो इसीलिए शायद से मुझे invite नहीं भेजा गया था for this particular course. So I was waiting eagerly since August. The course deadline it kept getting postponed. Finally,
there is some confusion. Everybody was told to join a certain chat group, WhatsApp group.
You can log into that and you
तो
can.
जिसने भी किया होगा उसको वो लिंक मिला होगा. तो इसका मतलब है आपने नहीं किया होगा तो आपको लिंक नहीं मिला.
So you have that one link is there for WhatsApp group joining. There are 2 batches, batch 1 and batch 2. You can join any one of those. After this, we'll post that link also here in your on your joined through the WhatsApp group. How did you join? How did Pooja join?
Yeah, I got the link and I joined the WhatsApp.
Same group, same link can be used for him also. You can join that. No issue.
That will be great. That would be a great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Most welcome. देखो और भी लोगों को जिनको सीरियसनेस से सीखने का रटिस लेके आना है लेके आ जा. No problem. Anuk Lanji ratis. You know that word, right?
मैं वो नहीं मतलब मर्ची नेवर भी तिमंती वन मगर तिम के अगर वो सब ये ना भंग कर देंगे वो आपसे कश्मीरी में गप्पे मारना शुरू हो जाएंगे. So I don't want to get small community. और जब हम किसी कश्मीरी को देखते हैं it really fills our heart with pride to see someone of our own community whenever we come across anyone. So it's a great pleasure. I thank you for this initiative. मैं मतलब कितने सालों से I was trying to think कि मैं कब ऐसी मुझे opportunity मिलेगी कि मुझे कोई tutor मिलेगा जो मुझे मेरी भाषा एकदम scratch से सिखाएगा. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity and platform.
See what you send to the cosmos. Remember this: what you send to the cosmos from your core of the heart, it comes back. It may take some time, but it comes back to you. So it all depends upon with what dedication you had asked for it. So it came back. So thanks to Master Ji and Karuna Aunty for that.
Thank you, all of you. Back to you.
So we'll be having only one class in the evening. That is at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time.
Yes, Master Ji. We will reorganize that and then inform them on the group.
Yes.
All right. So happy to see all of you happy faces. Remember this, what I have told you, that in your classes, you will not switch off the camera. There's an energy exchange. Besides that, the first thing, the respect to the Guru. The Guru Gyan only you are able to learn is when you give that first basic respect to the Guru. You will automatically learn so many things additional you don't know. But if that is not there, what Master Ji said, कि बहुत से लोग आते हैं जो try करते हैं, देखते हैं. अगर यहाँ से नहीं है, there's no point. So we just need that 1 hour every week, your heart and soul. And we promise you to connect you with your roots through the language.
Chale, any more questions?
Anybody else? Or we can then kind of
wrap up for today.
Carry on, wrap up our class. This was just an intro class to know each other. Any question anybody is having? Okay. On that note, we thank all of you and have a wonderful, nice, extended Diwali weekend. Shubh Deepavali, happy Bhai Dooj to all the boys over here. And God bless you with your sisters and families. And take care. Master Ji, can we wrap up?
Just 1 minute, Madhu. I will share. We will share with you a small presentation for today. यहाँ introduction तो already हो गया है. Okay. About this whole Kosam group and initiative, and all the conditions जो Master Ji ने आपको verbally बता दिए हैं, they are already listed there, and how you can get into the group and how you can communicate or email addresses of Master Ji and Kashmir as it is, COSAM group. So everything is there. So आप सब लोग उसको देख सकते हैं. You can connect with us through that contact, and we'll post that after in both the groups of batch 1 and batch 2. Okay, just for your information.
Are you playing here also?
I have a small. If we can, if you can allow us,
yes,
we
you
can
can.
do that.
Yes.
Can you see the screen now?
No.
No.
Not now.
Okay.
Not yet, Kuldeep ji.
Okay. You're able to see now?
Yes, it says
Yes.
screen sharing. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Is everybody able to see? Just give thumbs up. I think we should.
Okay.
I'm able to see.
Okay.
Okay. This is a little brief about Kosher Samanbal. Basically, it's a joint venture of Project Zan, which is led by Raina Sahab, and Kashmir as it is Singapore, which is led by Shivani. And so COSAM is actually a short name for Kosher Samanbal. So just for your general information. And under this platform, हम सबको खाली कश्मीरी नहीं सिखाते हैं मास्टर जी और करुणा जी, उसपे साथ में क्विजेस, कश्मीरी लर्निंग सेशंस, कम स्टोरी राइटिंग वगैरह सब के लिए क्विजेस रहते हैं. So if you stay attached to us, you can participate in that, and you can take benefit from that also. And already mentors के बारे में introduction रैना साहब ने दिया है, पर शायद उन्होंने बहुत brief में बोला. He is a prolific writer, and उन्होंने बहुत सारी किताबें लिखी हैं. उनका एक website है mkraina.com. You can log into that, and there are various platforms. If you are on Telegram, you can value Zan karo, you can get into that, and you can learn little more advanced Kashmiri in that. Karna ji, जैसे आप किसी ने बताया था अभी, she also was conducting and probably is still conducting classes in New Zealand also, apart from here. And Mrinali ji, who will be in the evening session today, she is a moderator like me, and she is also contributing to this Kosher Samanbal. Shivani is the main convener of Kashmir as it is, which is a joint venture partner for this Kosher Samanbal. I am Kuldeep Dar, basically electrical engineer, and been a student of COSAM, and that is what got me attached to this COSAM. I'm proud to be part of this group. And regarding Madhuji, she introduced herself to you, and she has already given you why she is there and how she got attached to this program. And actually, we would like all of you to sort of remember this particular shloka by heart as a respect to to Sharda Devi, who is supposed to be the goddess of teaching. So I'm just going through this shloka once again for all of you. Namaste Sharda Devi, Kashmir Purvasini, Pavamaham Prarthe Nityam Vidya Danam Chadehi Me, Saraswati Mahabhage Vidye Kamlalochane Vidya Rupe Vishalakshe Vidyanam Dehi Tamastate. Yes, for having a good beginning. And introduction we have already done. I'm not going into that. Languages which already Master Ji has explained. will be taught in this class, and for practice you can use it, this language, speaking with your parents, grandparents, and spouses and children. About the classes, we have already told that lessons which Masterji has already told, that there is a lesson. These all lessons will be recorded, and after today's session, once all of you roll in your names, and as Masterji has already told you, you give your name, age, and place. Accordingly, roll numbers will be allotted to you, and they will be used as reference for the whole program. And it will be taught in Kashmiri, will be taught in both Roman and as well as in Devanagari scripts that we already discussed. So Masterji has already told you that you must keep one notebook for this, and use this as for knowing, noting down your instructions. जिनको भी लिखना हो, जितने जो भी points हो, जो भी questions हो, वो लिख सकते हो उसमें. If you miss any part of the lesson, then the video recording of this every class will be actually posted on the group, so that you can catch up with where you missed it. Though we would like you to sort of continuously be part of the program, but sometimes due to technical reasons, if you get out, you cannot miss, won't miss it, because that recording will be shared with you. At the end of the course, जैसे बताया था कि certificates will be issued, there will be a small exam at the end of work, and at the end of this course, and that will be conducted after all 16 or 17 lessons are over. Most important is that homework will be given on every Saturday after the lesson, and that has to be submitted within 3 days, that is on Wednesday. That to whom it is to be submitted, the telephone number and the WhatsApp number will be shared with you. Actually, it is very essential that, because since we are working on Zoom, so your this internet connection has to be very, very good, so that you can speak, you can listen to the program properly. And we also recommend that you talk in this session more in Kashmiri. So though I'm using Kashmiri English as a medium of instruction right now, this is to make it clear to others who do not know Kashmiri or Hindi altogether. Any questions or anything can be sent to the list given above, Masterji, Karnaji, or any one of us. So next class will start from 13th November, as we have now decided that morning class will not be there, which was supposed to be from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now all classes will be from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. every Saturday, and the classes will be held on Zoom, and everything will be all instructions will be passed on the Zoom, WhatsApp groups. There is a particular rhyme which contains all, as Masterji specifically said, that for Kashmiri there have been special 6 particular vowels that have been developed, and these can be learned from this particular rhyme, which is written here. With the permission of Masterji, I will just go through it once. Rin gaye malun purit shirit. Rin gaye malun purit shirit. Myanis birthas beilaj her. Uta berber, koh akharak, valabeh panas, khyawatvar. This utilizes all the special vowels of Kashmiri that have been developed for learning Kashmiri language. So that's it. So I don't have much more to add to that. Rest of the things have been already explained to you.
So we will have one more session today at 6 p.m.
Yeah.
आप में से कोई फिर से join कर सकता है, you are welcome. Okay.
We can end the session with your permissions.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, everybody. Have a blessed, continued, extended Diwali break. And I'm sure Monday all of you will be back to work, your studies, whatever you're doing. Have fun, stay safe, and stay blessed. And happy learning.
Happy learning. Yeah, that's most
learning.
important. Happy
If you
learning.
can, if you can, Kuldeep ji, post that audio or video of this Renigai Malin on the WhatsApp group.
Yes, yes,
That
we'll do that.
वो सुने और थोड़ा practice करें.
ठीक.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
day today.
Thank you.
Bye.
Master ji, you wanted to talk to Takuchi, I think.
No, only Madhu can talk to him.
ना मैं बजे
Okay.
का चौक प्रारा
Madhu ji, you speak very slowly. Actually, they in Japanese, they're very slow in speaking and understanding English. So go.
अमिश ये वानन के
You have to slow down. You have to slow down.
कौशल हेचन खतर चाने खतर हिंदुस्तानी हेचन बड़ जरूरी
हाँ.
इसका हेकने कौशल हेचथे सो चमिस एक्सप्लेन करन क्या मे छुन बासान कि हे के क्लास करित
ना मुश्किल बात
मे छुन बासान
तुम तारन फिक्री गॉड से हिंदुस्तानी हेचन अध हेकक से कौशल हेचित
तो गॉड हेच हिंदी तो पाथ हेचनावत कौशल
हर्षिता एंड पूजा आप एग्जिट कर लो Vankos Kuldeep ji, Vanyos Mara.
Mr. Takuchi, can you hear us? And you can unmute yourself.
Medita, sorry. Kuldeep ji, Master ji, mecha permission.
Okay.
हाँ, करना आंटी, mecha permission.
चलो बढ़ियो.
Bye. अच्छा कुलदीप जी,
bye.
Okay.
Permission.
Bye.
Nishna चौक प्रारंभ पाया सब मैडम सामु चौकस मस कुलदीप जी अंकल जी इसके बाद पूरी टेबल पर आंटी तिचे प्रिविलेज वन को मच प्रिविलेज वन
चलो ठीक है ओके देन Mr. Takuchi we want you to learn Kashmiri as you have shown interest in learning Kashmiri but it is important that you know Hindi or Hindustani before you learn Kashmiri because our medium of instruction is going to be mix of English, Hindi and Kashmiri. So though we will be able to instruct you in Roman, that is English, how we write English language, that is Roman script. We will be able to share the details of the Roman script, Kashmiri Roman script with you, but pronunciation, speaking will be much better when you know Hindustani, because mostly we'll be talking in Hindi and the accents will be used, which may not be, you may not be very much familiar with. Do you understand? Can you? Please unmute yourself.
I understand. Yes, I understand.
No, we want you to be with us. We want you to learn Kashmiri, but we suggest that you know a little bit of Hindustani Hindi, because medium of instruction essentially will be Hindi and English combined. Okay?
Yes, I understand. I am sure.
Okay, it is okay with you, so you can join. As we have already informed you earlier, we will have a class now from next Saturday at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time.
Yes, I can.
So you will make some efforts to learn Hindi. That's very important.
Yes, I'm sure. I learn Hindi and Hindustani.
What is your friend's name from Kashmir? What's your friend's name from Kashmir?
What?
What's your friend's name? Who is your friend from Kashmir? What is his name?
I have a friend in Kashmir. I have a friend in Kashmir, of Kashmir.
Okay, what we are saying is that can you share his name with us so that we can he can help you in understanding?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you share his name? What is his name?
Sahil. Sahil.
Pardon?
Yes.
What is his
But
name?
I don't know about him. I don't know.
Okay, okay,
But,
no problem.
But my friend. But I'm not no him. I'm not know him. I'm not know him.
Okay.
Well, I'm not know him. Yes.
You don't know him. Okay, no problem. So as we told you, so you please make an effort to learn Hindustani or Hindi, and then it will be easy for you to understand what we are teaching here and how you will be able to learn Kashmiri. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, I will learn Hindi and Hindustani about.
Because you may be able to write Kashmiri with the knowledge of Roman script, but you cannot speak Kashmiri unless you know that language. Okay.
Okay, I understand.
And you will be able to understand us, the teachers, Mr. Rana and Mr. Karunaji, Ms. Karunaji, because you will be able to understand them better when you know Hindustani. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Chief Master.
Yes, okay.
Okay, Mr. Takuchi. Bye. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next Saturday at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
I can.
Okay. Bye.